Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to send a disappearing message on WhatsApp. So I have two phones here. I'm going to send it from this number to a different number. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. So I'm going to open WhatsApp on both phones. I already have WhatsApp installed on both phones, and I'm going to enter in my code. All right. So these are two different numbers, you can see. So this should be this other number. So I'm going to send message to that number. So I'm going to say hello with an emoji just to differentiate. So it should come in right here. So you can see that message, click on it, you can read it, fine, close it, open it again, the message is still there. Do the same thing for this one, and then open it again, the message is still there. But now if you want to send a disappearing message, which is an image, you can do this by selecting image. You can only do this on an image, you can do this on a text. So let's say gallery, and then let me say this image, and then click on send. This image sends, right? Now let's go ahead and send another image, gallery. Now I'm going to choose a different image. This is a different one. Now after selecting it, you can see this icon right here. You can see this particular icon. You choose that. When you click on it, you see I am going to do this and then send. So this message has been sent, and this is a view once message. So when the person click on this and then sees that is a view once message, if you click OK, they have read it, and then once they close it, it has been deleted, and it's also deleted for this. So even though you close and reopen, the message or the picture is already deleted. That is actually how it works. So this is how to send a view once message, and I already created a video on how to go around this if maybe somebody sent you a view once message and then it was deleted. So this is actually how to go around it. If you have further question about this, leave it on the comment section. I am going to answer to that. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Stay safe and peace.